Welcome to Bharat Group Schools and Colleges. Welcome to Bharat Group of Schools and Colleges. Hello and good afternoon, students. Today we will start with the subject of EVS. EVS means Environmental Studies. We will continue the same lesson number 3, my body. We continue with the same lesson, lesson number 3, my body. Lesson number 3, my body. In the previous lecture, we have learned about my body parts, sense organs, and we have also learned how head, eyes, nose, ears, mouth, feet, trunk, limbs, neck, legs, nails, hands help us. And also we have learned about taking care of the body parts. So children, so you have learned what we have learned. We have learned about body parts. We have learned about sense organs. We have also learned how hair, eyes, nose, ears, mouth, teeth, trunk, limbs, neck, legs, nails, hands help us. And also children, we have learned about what taking care of the body parts. We have learned no taking care of the body parts. Yes. So we have 5 sense organs. We also learned about eyes. We have 2 eyes, 2 ears. We have 2 hands, 2 legs. We have 1 nose. Now children, we have learned earlier about the head. Head is the uppermost part of the body. The head is the uppermost part of the body. Now children, see the picture of the head. H-E-A-D, head. Head is the uppermost part of the body. The child is showing you head. The head has a face, hair, a forehead, eyes, a mouth, a neck, a nose, cheeks, and ears. What does head have? We have learned before. Head has a face, hair, a forehead, eyes, a mouth, a neck, a nose, cheek, and ears. Now children, you can see it is underlined. Now children, see the picture. Hair, eye, nose, forehead, ear, tooth, mouth. Trunk or torso is the middle part of the body. We have learned about trunk or torso. Trunk or torso is the middle body. Now children, trunk, Trunk, trunk is also called torso. It is the middle part of the body. What does trunk or torso has? It has shoulders, chest and stomach. It has shoulders, chest and stomach. Now children, we also learned about limbs. Limbs are our arms and legs. We have learned before limbs are our arms and legs. See the picture of legs. Picture of legs, picture of arms. Limbs are our arms and legs. Arms have elbows, wrists, hands, fingers, and nails. Legs have knees, ankles, feet, toes, and nails. Children, we have also learned about sense organ. We have 5 sense organs. What are they? They are eyes, nose, tongue, skin, and ears. Now, children, see the picture. Tongue, ear, skin, eye, nose. Now, children, we have learned also about hair. Hair keep our head warm and protected. Eyes. With the help of the eyes, we can see the things around us. Eyes help us to see the things around us. We have 2 eyes. Now, children, this is the picture of eyes. Ears. Ears help us to hear. We have 2 ears. Nose. We also have learned about nose. Nose help us to breathe and smell. We have 1 nose. Children, you can see the picture. With the help of the nose, we can breathe and smell. With the help of the ears, we can hear. We have 2 ears. Mouth. We also have learned about mouth. Mouth helps us to speak and eat. This is the picture of the mouth. Teeth. Teeth help us to bite and chew the food. Now children, this is the picture of teeth. T-E-E-T-H. Neck. What does neck do? Neck joins the head and the trunk. This is the picture of the trunk. What do neck do? Neck joins the head and the trunk. This is the picture of the trunk. Trunk, what do trunk do? Trunk holds all the body parts together. Now children, this is the picture of the neck. What do neck means? The neck joins the head and the trunk. And trunk holds all the body parts together. Legs and toes help us walk, run, jump, and climb. Limbs are our arms and legs. We do many things with our arms and legs. This is the picture of arm, picture of legs, and this is also the picture of legs. Nails. Nails protect the tips of the fingers. This is the picture of nails. Nails protect the tips of the fingers. Hands. How do hands help us? Hands help us to hold the things, eat and write. This is the picture of hands. Children, in the previous lecture, we have learned about taking care of the body parts. What we have learned? We should take a bath every day and clean our eyes, ears and nose properly. This is the picture of taking a bath. We should brush our teeth in the morning and also at night. Now children, this is the picture of brushing the teeth. We should always wash our hands with water and soap before and after eating. Means what we must wash our hands with soap after and before eating. We must wash our hands after using washroom. Is when you come out of the washroom, we should wash our hands with soap and water. Now this is the picture of washing the hand with soap and water. We should cut our nails regularly. This is the picture of cutting the nails with a nail cutter. We should wash our face. This is the picture of washing the face. We should wash and comb our hair. Means we should wash our hair and then we should comb it. This is the picture of washing the hair. And this is the picture of combing the hair. We should drink lots of water. We must drink at least 8 glasses of water every day. Now this is the picture of drinking water. We should eat healthy food. And we should avoid eating junk food. We should eat healthy food. We should avoid eating junk food. We must avoid oily foods and cold drinks as they are not good for health. And we must also avoid too many sweets, toffees and chocolate as they spoil our teeth. Eating healthy food. Avoid, this is the picture of, we should avoid junk food. We should drink milk daily. What should we drink? We should drink milk daily. We should drink at least 2 glasses of milk every day. This is the picture that the child is drinking milk. Exercising and playing games make us healthy. What make us healthy? We should play games and we should exercise. That make us healthy. We should play outdoor games or exercise every day. Now, children, this is the picture of outdoor games. And this is the picture that we should do exercise, which makes our body healthy and fit. Now, children, what we will learn today? We will learn about helping people who do not have some body parts. Means what we will learn? We will learn that those who are not having body parts. We will learn about that and how should we help them. Children, there are some people who do not have all the body parts. Means there are some people that who do not have all the body parts. Some people around us cannot walk, hear, or speak. So we should help them. Help them. Means what? A part of the body does not work well. There may be others who cannot use their body parts set properly. Means there are some people who does not have all the body parts. Means what? We should help them. We should not tease them. Children, we should not make fun of them or treat them different from us. Means what? We should not make fun if they are not. Some people out there not having body parts, so we should not make fun of them or treat them different from us. We should treat them equal. And children, we should always help them. What we should do? We should always help them. Now, children, this is the picture of the. This is the picture that the child, the man is sitting on a wheelchair. So we should help them and we should treat them. We should treat them and we should not make fun of them. We should help the people who are not having their body parts. So in this picture, the man is sitting on the wheelchair. So we should help them. Now, children, this is the picture that in this picture we can see that many people are not having their body parts. So we should help them. First picture, the man is sitting on a wheelchair. In the second picture, you can see that the is not having the leg. And here in this picture, they are blind, so they are helping them to cross the road. Now in this picture, the man is helping to cross the road as she is blind. So we should help them. Here also you can see in this picture that we should help them by crossing the road as she is blind. Now see the next picture. Now also see the next picture. What in this picture? Helping hand. Now children, bird ball. Children, as a practice, you can write in your notebook. I will repeat the words. You can also repeat the words with me. Cannot. C-A-N-N-O-T. Cannot. C-A-N-N-O-T. Cannot. Walk. W-A-L-K. Walk. W-A-L-K. Walk. Here. H-E-A-R. Here. H-E-A-R. Here. C. S-double-E-C. S-double-E-C. Body. B-O-D-Y. Body. B-O-D-Y. Body. Parts. P-A-R-T-S. P-A-R-T-S. Parts. Properly. P-R-O-P-E-R-L-Y. Properly. P-R-O-P-E-R-L-Y. Properly. Help. H-E-L-P. Help. H-E-L-P. Help. Fun. F-U-N. Fun. F-U-N. Fun. Body parts properly. These are the words which you have learned today. Help. Fun. Children, today what we have learned? We have learned about helping the people who do not have some body parts. Some people around us cannot walk, hear, or see. There may be others who cannot use their body parts properly. So children, we should not make fun of them or treat them different from us. Children, we should always help them. Means what? That some people around us cannot walk, hear, or see. So we should help them and we should never make fun of them. Now children, I will ask you questions. You can message me in the chat box. Now I will ask you, the dash is the uppermost part of the body. The dash is the uppermost part of the body. Head. Correct answer. Dash is the middle part of the body. Dash is the middle part of the body. Come on, children. Trunk. Very good. Dash are our arms and legs. Correct, trunk. Dash are our arms and legs. Limbs. Very good. Limbs are our arms and legs. Now, children, dash help us to see the things around us. Dash help us to see the things around us. Eyes. Very good. EYES. Very good. All the children are giving correct answer. Very good. Eyes. Now, children, next. Dash help us to breathe and smell. Dash help us to breathe and smell. Correct. Nose. Very good. Very good. All are giving correct answer. Very good. Nose help us to breathe and smell. Very good. Now, children, next. Dash help us to speak and eat. Dash help us to speak and eat. Correct. Mouth. M-O-U-T-H. M-O-U-T-H. Correct. So mouth help us to speak. Means with the help of the mouth, we speak and we eat. Very good. Correct. Now, children, next. Dash help us to hear. Dash help us to hear. Ears. Very good. All are giving correct answer. Ears. E-A-R-S. Ears helps us to hear. Very good. All are giving correct answers. Now, children, next. Dash help us to bite and chew the food. Dash help us to bite and chew the food. Teeth. Very good. T-E-E-T-H. Dash help us to bite and chew the food. Teeth. Very good. Very good. T-E-E-T-E-E-T-H. Very good. Now, children, dash keep our head. Dash keep our head warm and protected. Dash keep our head warm and protected. Head. Very good. H-A-I-R. Head. Very good. Hair keep our head warm and protected. Very good. All are giving correct answers. Very good. Now, children, next. Dash joins. We have learned many times. Dash joins the head and the trunk. Neck. Very good. N-E-C-K. Neck. N-E-C-K. Neck. Very good. All are giving correct answer. Very good. N-E-C-K. Neck. Now, children, next. Dash help us to hold the things, eat and write. Dash help us to hold the things, eat and write. Correct. H-A-N-D. Hand. Very good. Very good. All are giving correct answer. Very, very good. Now, next. Dash protects the tips of our fingers. Dash protects the tips of our fingers. Nails. Very good. Nails protect the tips of our fingers. Very good. Nails protect the tips of our finger. Very good. Now, children, we have learned what we have learned. Children, we have learned about the main parts of our body. The main parts of our body are head, trunk, Trunk is also called torso and limbs. Head is the uppermost part of the body. Trunk or torso is the middle part of the body. Limbs, what are limbs? Limbs are our arms and legs. Now children, we have 5 sense organs. Okay. Now children, we have also learned about keeping our body parts clean. Means we should keep our body parts clean. How we should keep our body parts clean? First, we should take a bath daily. We should brush our teeth in the morning and at night. We should wash our hands with soap and water before and after eating. We should cut our nails. We should wash our face. We should wash our hair and comb our hair. We should eat healthy food. We should drink lots of water. We should drink milk daily. What should we drink? Daily milk. And we should also exercise and play the games. That makes our body fit and healthy.